Good morning, students. We are now in lesson 27 of Foundation of Shorthand. Now, for this lesson, you will learn word ending ification, word beginning miss, and the new symbol for W. Okay. So the word ending ification, as in ratification, is represented by a disjoint F and is written close to the last symbol. Example, ratification, ratification. Iden identification, modification, modification, modification as modifications, classification, classification, classification as classifications, notification, notification, certification, certification, clarification, clarification, specification, specification, specification as specifications, and justification, justification. Okay. Now, minor vowel omitted words. Samples are RATFI, ratify. RATFID, ratified. NOTFI, notify. SPESFI, specify. SPESFI, specifies. KLASFI, classify. JUSTFI, justify. MODFI, modify. And KLARFI, clarify. Okay, next is miss words. The word beginning miss, as in mistake, is abbreviated with the M and S symbols. Okay, for example, miss, TAK, mistake. Miss, TAKS, mistakes. Miss, TAKN, mistaken. Miss, PLAS, misplace. Miss, LED, mislead. Miss, LED, ing, misleading. Miss, PRENT, misprint. Miss, mystery. And Miss RPR, again, Miss RPR, misrepresent. Okay. Now for the W dash words. So in the previous lessons, you learned that the U symbol represents the sound of W or WH at the beginning of words. Now, a W within the body of the word is represented by a short dash underneath the following vowel, and the dash is written after the body of the outline. For example, K, W-E-K, quick. Next. K-E-K-E, W, quickly. K-E-T-W, quit. K-O-T-W, quote, quart. K-O-T-E-D, W, quoted. K-O-T-R-L-Y, W, quarterly. K-O-L-F-I-W, qualify. K-I-T-W, quiet. O-L-A-S-W, always. Capital B-R-O-D-A-W, Broadway. S-K-A-R-W, square. H-A-R-D-A-R-W, hardware. Okay, so again, we use a dash underneath the following vowel. And that dash is written after the body of the outline has been written. So again, for lesson 27, we have discussed the W dash words, the missed words, then the minor vowel omitted words, such as ratify, ratified, and then the ification words. Okay, that's the end of lesson 27. See you in the next lesson.